In this video, I'm going to show you how to use date and time functions in Excel. Hey guys, welcome to Excel tutorial channel again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use some of the built-in function in Excel that will help you calculate dates, time, days and weeks and so on. So you might be thinking, why should I care? But let me tell you, these are super important if you're trying to do anything like planning out a project or organizing events. So get ready, we are about to dive into all the different ways date and time function can make life easier for us. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do it, because in the upcoming days we're gonna cover each and everything about the Excel and much more in this channel. So let's get started. So this is the very basic, and here we have this time span of dates from the 1st of June to 17th of June. So this is the random dates, and you can also format these dates according to your timeline and time zones. So you can also right click and go to the format cell. So here you can do it as much as way you like. So in this, so first we're gonna do is year, month and day. How to extract year, month, day from a formula. So it's gonna be very exciting, and let me just drag this to like that. So here we want to know is what month is this, what year is this, and what date is this. So for the year part, it's very basic. Here you go, the serial number, here it's the cell. So it says the year is 2021, and if you have data so on like that, you can easily do that with the same function, right? So if you same goes with the month and day. So if I say which month is this, so it says the 6th month, and you can also format this particular number the way you like, and it goes the date. So you can also format this number. And for the day part, the same way we have done year, month like that, you can also do that same. So that's very basic to know which year, which month and which day it is. So if you have something dates like that and it doesn't return any day, month or year, you should check the formatting of that particular cell. To check that formatting, just click on that particular cell, right click it and go to the format cell here, and there you got to know the formatting here. It should be the date, such that Excel will come to know that the particular calculation you are doing on, particular cell your calculation doing on is the date. So it will extract the data accordingly. So that's the first part. Now, so let's do the calculation regarding date here. Suppose you want to add something like 5 days to it. Okay, if you want to add 5 days to it, if you want to add 10 days to it, you can do that easily. For example, just click like that and select this cell, add 5. Let's see what it returns. So it returns 6th of June 2021. That's how you can do that. But if you want to add more months to it, more years to it, you can use which function? Date function. So second will be the date function. To conclude that, first we need to write the date here, function here, the year. And for the year argument, we have 3 here, year, month and day. So for the year argument, we will enter the year formula here, function here you can say. So year function. Now select the particular cell here. Now to add more year to it, just add the add operator here, and I want to select 2 more years, so add 2. In the second argument we have month. So for the month we will use which function? Month function. Here we have month function. So serial number will be the same, and I want to add 4 more months to it, which will be the October. And for the day part, simply check the day function here, click the same serial number and add as much days you like I want to add 10 more, and close the parenthesis. Let's see if it does work or not. So yes, we wanted 11th of October 2023. Here we get it. So that's how you can use date function to add more years to the particular cell, days and month. So that's for the second part of this video. So in third, we will play with some more with the date formulas here. So here we have little things, three things here. We have a timer on, timer end and time remaining. So let's say timer on will be our today's date. Let's see, to input the today's date, you just need to add today's formula here. Just close it down, you don't need to select any cell references here, and it give us the today's date like that. So now in the next part, let me just format it like just need the date here. So we got the date here, and I just want my colleague or your employee to complete that particular task in between 7 days. So for the 7 days we have this. For the time remaining part, so we will subtract this, which is the ending time, with the timer on, and here we go. So it will give us how many days has left. 7 days has left. So if you want to extend some time here or you want to reduce it, no, it should be the 6, and the way it goes, it will current like that. So if you want to find current time also with the date, you can also do that with the help of now function. Now, so here you go, you got the time here. And if you want to just format these cells like this, you can also do that. Just include the time, which is this, click OK. So 3:32 p.m. Now in the part 4, we're gonna play with the time here. So like we have used with the year, month and day, we can also extract time, hour, minute, second in Excel. So how you can do that? You can do that easily. If you want to extract the hour of here like this, you can do that easily with the help of that. So it's the 15th hour. If you want to change the format, you know where to go. Just right click it, format cells, and now you can play with it however you want. So in the next, we have a minute also. You can also extract minutes from it like this. 24th minute is going on, and seconds also like this. This is very much straightforward. That's how you can play with your time, which is hour, minute and second. So you also have the time function, right? Like we have added days, month and year to this. You can also do that with this with the help of time here. So let me just add it here with the help of time function. So for the hour, minute and second, we will use the separate functions for 3 arguments like we have done in the date part. So in the hour, we will add the hour function here. Serial number will be like that. So if you want, I want to add 2 more hours here to finish on 5 o'clock. So here we go. So if you want to add the minutes here, you can also do that with the help of minute function. Just like this, I want to add 35 more minutes to complete an hour, which will be, I think will be 0, or I want to deduct 25 here. I don't want to overlap it with the next. So again with the second, you can do that easily. Minus 18 here and close the parentheses. Let's see what it gives us. So it gives us 5 o'clock, 1 minute and 9 seconds. Why it's like that? Because now the time has changed. Whenever we click it, the time will change and it will calculate accordingly. So that's how you do it. So that's how you play with the time function. So we have covered the year, month, day, the date function, the current date and time with the help of today and now function. So we have also played with the hour, minute and second, and we have also played with the time function. So hope you get to know the basics of date and time function, and in this playlist we will cover all these functions, also the more advanced functions like weekdays, today's, etc. We will also create so many formulas here like calculating age, days until birthday, last day of the month, like that in Excel. So you should subscribe to this channel, because in the upcoming days we're gonna cover all these functions for you in detail with the help of real life problems. So if you haven't subscribed, please do it. If you have liked this video, you have learned from something from this video, you can also like this video, and if you want to share it to someone else, you can also share that. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.